My name is Naomi. I'm 8 years old and I'm so glad you are here today. Here on my channel, I show you how to make awesome things. My summer camp got canceled, so we're going to be making some fun summer camp treats you can make at home. Today we're going to be making snack necklaces. Here's what you need. Cereal with holes in it. I'm using Fruit Loops and Cheerios, gummy bears, and popcorn. But I need to pop mine first. You're also going to need thread and a safety needle that's not too sharp. Let's pop our popcorn. Let's pop our popcorn. I'm going to pop my popcorn on the stovetop popcorn popper. But you can use microwave popcorn or pre-popped popcorn. If you don't have one of these, you can use a regular pot with a lid. First, put a little bit of oil in the bottom of the pan. Then turn the stove on medium heat. Now put your popcorn kernels in, just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. See why the pot needs a lid. I added some salt, but I didn't add butter because butter would stain your shirt. Have a grown-up thread your safety needle and fold it in half and tie a big knot at the end. Now we're ready for the fun part, making the necklace. I'm going to start with a gummy bear so my whole necklace doesn't just slip off the end. When you're doing the gummy bears and the popcorn, since they don't already have holes in them, you have to put the gummy bear on the counter and just stab it in like this so it doesn't hurt you. Once the gummy bear is on, just keep putting snacks on until it's long enough to wear. Around your neck, you're done. When you're grown up, cut off the needle and tie a knot, and then it's ready to wear. Ta-da! There you have it, fun snack necklaces. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more awesome videos just like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye!